Hello, it's Dr. Ann, and I'm coming with a big announcement today. We're bringing back the in-person party. After 3 long years of virtual parties and virtual open houses, we really want to see your face, so we're bringing back the in-person party. So the holiday party for Therese Aesthetic Medicine will be on Thursday, November 3rd at the Polaris office in Columbus, and the Cape Coral party will be Thursday, November 17th at the Cape Coral office. We can't wait to see your face. As you know, we'll have door prizes, we'll have a DJ, we'll have cocktails, we'll have all our reps there telling you about what's new and fun in aesthetic medicine, and most of all, we just want to see you again. So please bring yourself, bring a girlfriend, and bring a donation. You know, we always partner with a charity, and this year we're asking you to bring either a toy for a child, a stuffed stocking for a child, diapers, wipes, or pull-ups to help out with the charity we've sponsored, Mommies Matter and Thrive in Cape Coral. So please come and join us on these 2 dates. More details on our website, but we really want to see you. Come and join us.